Hello everyone. So in this class we will discuss about how to connect data source to Domo. So to connect a data source into Domo, we have a many way. Like we can upload the file, we can connect with cloud database, we can use the Domo workbench. So let's go to the Domo, and we can see we have a tab like connect data. So in this we can see we have a connector, file, database, federated, API. So these are the way to connect data source with Domo. So let's start with the connector. So when I go to the connector, I can say we have a different kind of connector like cloud connector, database connector, file connector, IoT connector, and this is the upload. Here we can upload the file that is in our local system. So and this is the way like these are the things explain how to connect data into Domo. Next is just think we have on-premise database, on-premise system, and we have to connect data with on-premise system. So here we have to use workbench. So how to get the workbench? So we have admin section. In this section we can see we have one tool download. So when I go to the tool download, we can see we have a option to download workbench. So when we download the workbench, then through workbench we can connect our on-premise database with Domo. So how to install and then how to connect data using workbench, that I will cover in next class. Thank you.